Welcome back to PECS training series. In this video, we will be talking about phase 2 of picture exchange communication system, which is an important step in helping individuals to communicate more efficiently. In phase 2, we introduce distance and increase the complexity of the exchange. Instead of the learners simply handing over a picture, they now need to reach for and give the picture to a communication partner who is not right next to them. This phase encourages the learner to initiate communication with someone who is not directly in front of them. It builds their ability to use the picture to express their needs in a variety of situations. Start by creating opportunities for the learners to approach you with the picture. Whether it is your favorite snacks, toys, or activity, the goal is for them is to take the initiative to bring you the picture and request what they want. Just like phase 1, consistency and positive reinforcement are the key. When the learners successfully exchange the picture, make sure you immediately give them what they want to keep them reinforced. Phase 2 helps to further empower the learner by teaching them how to communicate in a broader range of situations away from immediate exchange. It's all about fostering independence and expanding their ability to express their needs effectively. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more such autism training videos. Stay tuned.